Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting Canva tutorial, and from today I have decided to start a new section in my video, which is that you guys who are watching this video, you guys will be leaving a hint of the city from where you are watching in the comment section, and I will try to guess the city from where you are watching from your hint in the next video. So if you are interested in that, make sure you quickly comment down in this video, and let's start today's tutorial. And today's tutorial is mainly about zodiac Canva elements, and I will be sharing many type of keywords which you can use for your designs and for your templates. And let's start with it. So I'll be choosing Instagram post as my canvas. I'll go to the elements section, and from here I will type the first keyword, which is zodiac symbols. And from this I will go to graphics, and I will find all the zodiac symbols right here, and in 2 to 3 different types of designs. Like as you can see, it is hand drawn. Let's see this one. This is another type of design. This is also hand drawn, but this is another type of design of the same zodiac symbol, as you can see. As you can see, this symbol and this symbol looks different here. So these are two different types of designs, as you can find it here, and also another type of here. Okay, so and also you will find the outline parts also, like this one. This is the outline part of the zodiac symbols. You can also find them here. Okay, so let's move on to the next keyword, which is zodiac signs. So there you got the exact zodiac symbols. Here you will be getting the signs. So here you can find all the signs here, and here is you are having all the different types of signs in 2 to 3 different types of formats. Okay, so let's move into the next keyword, which is zodiac wheel. And this you can find the zodiac wheel, and also these stars are in animated part, which you can use for your design, and this is also free to use. Okay, some are in pro section, and majority of the elements are in free section. Okay, so I'll move into the fourth and the last keyword for the day, which is zodiac stars. So here we are getting all the stars here, all the designs in stars, as you can see in here. Here you can find mostly in pro section the stars on the constellations, as you can see. So you can use them. You can type in zodiac stars or zodiac constellations. Okay, so you can use them for your own designs. I hope you learned some great keywords for your design, for your next design, and make sure you comment down your city so that I can guess your city in the next tutorial.